Alright, so I just got a little bit bored after school. I have a 3-day weekend. I just thought I might work on this little Zenith, the 6456 Zenith solid state tape deck, and look at this. It's playing perfectly. I didn't replace any of the belts. It's playing up to speed. It takes 6 volts. Catchy built. And this is a very rare piece. I replaced one of the capacitors, one of the electrolytics. It's only one of them though, and there's 2 big blue ones. There's one back there, and I'll grab the old one. I never throw away any parts that I take out, and it's not hoarding. It's just because if I ever come up to something that's better to specs, since that's 35 volts, taking in at like, I think it's 1,000 microfarads. This is 470 at 10 volts, so it works. But if I ever come across something, if I ever find a Radio Shack, which I found one time, in fact that's what I'm using in there, something that I found at a Radio Shack. Old Nichicon from the mid-60s, and this thing is working. How great. It's a really cool tape deck too. It sounds great. It has a big permanent magnet on it. See, it's like one of those big block speakers. Has pretty neat controls. Very old timings. $2.95. Only $2.95 for such a rare piece. This is great. Made in Japan. Zenith quality, man. Stuff will last forever. Just need a little maintenance. Got Tom Petty playing.